Emotion enhancing your personal development.
So, good evening or good day to everyone. God bless you. I still remain Success. My name is Success, and Emotion is my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe it, like it, comment, and share. I'm having a new message for you today. Message has been titled "It's Wife and Knife." You know one thing. Let me ask you some question here. When it comes to being a wife, a lot of people make some mistake when it comes to choosing of wife. Some people choose a knife but not a wife. Why am I saying you choose a knife? Do you think your wife will cut you down, but knife will cut you down? And why am I saying knife will cut you down? Some women are knife and some women are wife. In some cases, we always normally say by saying that you do not choose a good partner. That's why I'm saying we have a knife and we have a wife. The reason why I'm saying some are knife and some are wife is that um you think or you have realized that when you have the time that you have not married yet, always your finances, your income, everything is going glowing up, glowing nicely. By the time you just get married, it all fall or it all get down. Why? Because you don't get a good partner. Why am I saying that? If you get a good partner, always it will come. She will come out with an idea by telling you that we need to do that, we need to do this. But you have got a material or a woman who is a knife that always help you to spend, but don't help you to make. That's why I'm saying that if you're ready to marry, go for a wife, not a knife. God bless you. Still, we remain emotion. Do not forget to subscribe it, like it, comment, and share. And your life is going to be transformed. Bless up. Amen. Bye bye.